Hello everyone, and welcome to today's deep dive into a topic that affects us all, hormonal balance. Ever feel like your energy levels, mood, sleep, or even appetite are on a roller coaster? Chances are, your hormones might be trying to tell you something. Today, we re-unlocking the power of your plate and exploring 7 essential foods that can be your allies in achieving hormonal harmony. We're diving into these nutritional powerhouses and uncovering why they're absolutely essential for hormone health, and give you practical tips on how to seamlessly integrate them into your daily diet. We'll be cutting through the noise and focusing on evidence-based information that can truly make a difference in how you feel. Whether you're navigating PMS, perimenopause, stress, or simply want to optimize your overall well-being, join us as we uncover the 7 essential foods for hormonal balance. Before we jump into the specifics, let's briefly touch upon why hormonal balance is so vital. Hormones are your body's chemical messengers, traveling through your bloodstream to tissues and organs. They control a vast array of functions, from growth and metabolism to mood and reproduction. When your hormones are balanced, you generally feel your best, energetic, stable, and healthy. However, imbalances can manifest in various ways, impacting your physical and emotional well-being. Diet plays a surprisingly significant role in influencing these delicate hormonal systems. Our first essential food for hormonal balance is fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. These aren't just delicious, they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fats are crucial building blocks for cell membranes, and they have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Why is this important for hormones? Chronic inflammation can disrupt hormonal signaling and contribute to imbalances. Omega-3s help to keep inflammation in check, supporting the optimal function of your endocrine glands. Furthermore, some studies suggest that omega-3s can positively influence the production and regulation of various hormones, including stress hormones like cortisol. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap these incredible benefits. Try grilling, baking, or even adding canned sardines to your salads or pasta dishes. Moving on to our second hormonal superhero, cruciferous vegetables. This family includes broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These veggies are nutritional powerhouses, rich in fiber, vitamins, and unique compounds called glucosinolates. When you chew or digest cruciferous vegetables, glucosinolates break down into other compounds, most notably indole, 3-carbinol, I3C, and its derivative diindolylmethane. These compounds are particularly beneficial for estrogen metabolism. They help your body process estrogen in a healthier way, potentially reducing the risk of estrogen-dominant conditions, and supporting overall hormonal balance in both women and men. Aim to include a variety of cruciferous vegetables in your diet several times a week. Roast them, steam them, stir-fry them, or even blend them into smoothies. Our third essential food is often overlooked but incredibly valuable, flax seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional goldmines. They are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acid called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which your body can convert to EPA and DHA in smaller amounts. More significantly, flax seeds are packed with lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogens are plant compounds that can have mild estrogenic or anti-estrogenic effects in the body, depending on your individual hormonal status. Lignans can help modulate estrogen levels, potentially easing symptoms of hormonal imbalances. Additionally, flax seeds are an excellent source of fiber, which is crucial for gut health. A healthy gut plays a vital role in hormone regulation by helping to eliminate excess hormones and toxins. Aim for a couple of tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily. You can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or add them to smoothies and baked goods. Remember to choose ground flax seeds, as whole flax seeds may pass through your digestive system undigested. Let's move on to our fourth essential food, avocados. These creamy, delicious fruits are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are essential for the production of hormones. Your body needs adequate healthy fats to synthesize steroid hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which, as we discussed, supports healthy estrogen levels by aiding in their elimination. Furthermore, avocados contain various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and can support hormonal health. Enjoy avocados in salads, sandwiches, guacamole, or simply sliced with a sprinkle of sea salt. Our fifth essential food is a category rather than a single item, high-quality protein. Whether you choose lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, or tofu, adequate protein intake is crucial for hormonal balance. Protein provides your body with the essential amino acids needed to produce hormones and neurotransmitters, which play a key role in hormone regulation. Protein also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing drastic spikes and crashes that can impact hormone balance, particularly insulin and cortisol. Aim to include a source of high-quality protein in every meal. Our sixth essential food brings a touch of sweetness and incredible benefits: berries. We're talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These vibrant fruits are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which, as we discussed with fatty fish, help combat inflammation, a major disruptor of hormonal balance. Berries also have a relatively low glycemic index compared to other fruits, meaning they have a gentler impact on blood sugar levels and insulin. Insulin resistance can lead to hormonal imbalances, so choosing foods that help maintain stable blood sugar is key. Enjoy a handful of berries as a snack, in your yogurt or oatmeal, or blended into smoothies. And finally, our seventh essential food, nuts and seeds, beyond flax seeds, which we already highlighted. Think almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. These are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals that support hormone health. For instance, pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which is crucial for testosterone production and overall reproductive health. Almonds and walnuts contain vitamin E and other antioxidants. Sunflower seeds are rich in selenium, which is important for thyroid function. Thyroid hormones play a vital role in metabolism and energy levels, impacting other hormones as well. Be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts and seeds are calorie-dense. A small handful a day can provide significant benefits. Add them to your snacks, salads, or yogurt. Now that we've explored these 7 essential food groups, let's talk about some practical ways to incorporate them into your daily life. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather gradually integrating these foods into your meals and snacks. Start by planning your meals around these essential foods. Aim to include a source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber at every meal. Swap refined grains for whole grains and make fruits and vegetables the stars of your plate. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with new recipes that feature these hormone-balancing ingredients. Don't underestimate the power of simple swaps. For example, choose grilled salmon over a processed meat option, add flax seeds to your morning smoothie, or snack on a handful of almonds instead of sugary treats. Be mindful of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of caffeine and alcohol, as these can negatively impact hormone balance. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Hydration is also crucial for overall health and hormone function, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's important to remember that while diet plays a significant role in hormonal balance, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Other lifestyle factors such as stress management, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are equally important. If you're experiencing significant hormonal imbalances, it's just always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance. Achieving hormonal balance is a journey, and nourishing your body with these 7 essential foods is a powerful step in the right direction. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can support your body's natural ability to regulate its hormones and pave the way for greater energy, more stable moods, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this information has been valuable and inspiring.